Guys, kasama natin ang kapatid ng celebrity. Magpakilala ka.
Hi guys, my name is Mark Ernest and our company's name is 3Commerce. We specialize in AI services sa e-commerce and crypto payments.
Grabe guys, ngayon ko lang narinig yun ha. Actually, meron din mga ganung projects from the past and talagang niluluto. Pero first time ko makarinig na galing sa tropa. Brother, can you tell us more about this 3Commerce? No?
Sure, basically, nag-innovate kami. Ang ginagawa namin, ang laking kasi sa e-commerce industry na ginagawa namin, number one, yung payment solution. Pangalawa, eto talaga, customer service.
Yun.
So ginawa namin, in-integrate namin yung AI para mas maging seamless yung customer service and yung sales platform ng ating e-commerce.
That's interesting, no?
Also, I wanna add, ngayon lang kami nag-integrate, kaya kami 3Commerce, nag-integrate kami ng crypto payment na for now hindi ko pa nakita sa mga platforms sa Philippines.
Alright. Very interesting yan, brother. And I think that's one thing na dapat nating abangan, no? E-commerce meets Web3. Brother, siguro ask ko lang, no? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating abangan dito sa 3Commerce, especially aware na yung mga tao about this na niluluto mong project?
Actually, ayoko pa i-share lahat kasi nga medyo surprise siya. And of course, baka medyo maging aware ibang competitors natin.
Oo, tama.
Pero ito lang
We respect.
Yes, pero ito lang sasabihin ko, dahil sa project na to, surely, 100%, yung e-commerce mabilis na, mas mapapabilis pa and magiging seamless lahat ng payments and, of course, deliveries.
Yun. Maganda yun, guys, no? Abangan natin yun kasi hindi pa
yeah.
hindi pa dinidisclose ngayon ni Tropa yung kung ano man yung nasa loob nitong
Proud ako sa
3Commerce.
project na to and sana pag nirelease namin soon, ma-appreciate nyo siya. Like, pinaghirapan talaga namin, pinag-effortan. Gumawa kami ng team, everything. Yeah.
Yun. So far, tingin ko talagang passion project ito ni brother.
Yes.
Brother, last question na lang, no? Saan ba nila, di pala last question. Brother, saan ba nila pwedeng i-follow yung project mo kung meron man at the moment?
For now, follow me sa personal account ko muna, Instagram, Mark_Ernest, email markernestdesus@yahoo.com. And if you want to contact me, we can talk about the business.
Yun, sa mga gusto maging business partner to, pwede nyo kontakin yung kanilang
Contact me,
personal
guys.
profile. Yan guys, kontakin yan. Pero bago tayo magtapos, brother, ano ang tingin mo? What do you think about the future of money?
What do I think about the
Future of money.
3 words. Decentralized and seamless payments.
Yun, grabe. Hindi ko na kailangan paliwanag yun, guys. Napakadaling intindihin nun. And brother, thank you very much for this interview. Abangan natin yan. 3Commerce.
3Commerce.